the tank engine was sick again. Workman tried everything, but he couldn't. So Doc had to take his passengers for the day. When they left, Thomas just felt lonely. It wasn't until that night where the engines went to sleep. Doc was already asleep, but Thomas and Percy wanted to talk. So Thomas, when are you going to be better? I don't know, Percy. Yeah, well, I hope you get better soon. Yeah, maybe at some time, but I'm sure I'm alright for now. The next day, everyone was ready and Thomas was better. Soon, Doc had to get turned around and went back to the Little Western, whilst Thomas got to take his passengers. Woohoo! Back to the basics, baby! Woo! Yeah! Soon, Thomas was happily on his branch line. It's good to have you back. Yes, indeed. Yeah, oh, thanks, guys. But then it happened. Oh! Thomas applied his brakes just in time. Thomas was so frightened that the coupling of his coaches snapped. And he raced right into Elsbridge. Oh, come on! You silly little tank engine! Hello? Yes? You're back! After all this time? Yeah, I know I may look the same, but actually I've got a new whistle. Look at this. And my footplate's new, but I have a new whistle. Well, cool, I guess. But anyway... but here's a question. Where are your coaches? They kind of got... Ha! Gullible Thomas, he forgot his coaches. Henry, you're back? Yes, Rebecca, I'm back. I feel embarrassed now. I'm gonna shut up. Yeah, stop talking about my coaches like that. Soon Thomas got his coaches. Well, I might be late, but I'm just happy to see you. Yeah, I'm happy to see you too, bro. Anyways, see ya, Thomas. Whoa, have you seen anything like it? I wouldn't think so. Oh, there goes the line again. Indeed. I'm gonna go through. No, come on, Thomas, we better get to the Farquhar. Yeah, I guess. Soon they were backtracking back to the sheds when this dog's really cute. Hey, Thomas, look at this dog. It's adorable. Really? Yeah, it has a lot of mud on it. Yeah. Oh, well, I better go, Eagle. Bye. All right, see ya. It's kind of cute also. Hey, you want to get in my boat van and stay with me? Yeah. Oh, nice. Finally, I got a dog to accomplish me. They are you cute. Aw, you're so cute. Thomas, we're gonna go home and we'll... Thomas, maybe we should rest here and then go back to the Farquhar sheds. Fine, I guess it's alright. Should we go home now? Yeah. I'll drive you to the sheds and then we can go. Nice. Alright, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Soon they were out in the open, taking the train. Taking the train. Soon they arrived at the Elsbridge when... What's this? Dog! No! No! It flew to the river! Why would he do that? Why would he do that? ran away because Thomas, it isn't your fault. Don't blame yourself. Yeah, Thomas.
Obviously me because I.
You know, okay. Huh?
It's just because I didn't want me. I didn't.
Wait,
take
where are
care
you
of it.
going? Hey, do you want me to take you today? Oh yes, please, Percy. Soon, Thomas got one.
I'm coming, Poppy. I'm coming.
What about Judy?
Oh, no one cares about her. We're just
Fine.
getting you. You're more reliant.
Let's do fishing.
Woo!
Right,
Yeah.
I'm gonna ring
Let's
my
fish out the
my
dog.
crane. Whoa, Thomas, I got a fighter.
Oh yeah, get it.
Oh, I got a big one.
Lift it up.
Okay, pull him up.
Yes, I got it. It's the dog.
Ruff, puppy.
Ruff.
Hey, I'm glad you guys are back together. Look,
Yeah, come in my cab and
try
let's
and find
go.
it. Hold on, Thomas. I need to talk to the Facatron if we could have a day off.
Oh, fine.
Oh, you really are a cute puppy. Oh, and you're not muddy anymore. Must have been when you jumped into the water. You really must love water. Anyways, Thomas, I called the Facatron and he said we could have a day off today.
Yay! Time to play Smash Bros.
Yeah!
Woo!
Soon, they were at Farmer McCall's farm. It's a good thing Farmer McCall let us use this. Stop it! Stop licking me! It tickles. Chris, come out here. We need to play Smash. Come in, Bob.
Yeah, okay, let's go. Woo!
Yep. All right. So, we need to get to Farmer McCall's farm and play the game. All right. And we also need to take care of the dog. We have to go to Farmer McCall's farm. Okay, then.
Okay, guys, you ready to play?
Oh, yeah. Soon they arrived at Farmer McCall's farm. All right, let's go and do this, boys.
Ruff!
Oh, so cute. Anyways, let's go play. I'm first going to give him this ball, maybe. All right.
Ruff!
All right, let's get the switch out. Fight.
I hate
Oh,
this.
come on. I'm gonna check on the dog. All right.
Ugh.
All right. Where's the dog? What is it, man? Chris, the dog is gone.
What? No, not again.
It must have chased the ball. Oh no! We need to go after it. Come on, everyone.
Go on the search party to
Come on,
find
we need
it.
to go. We need to find it.
Oh, right ahead of you, buddy. Okay.
After it.
Let's go and find the dog and not let it escape again.
All right, come on, Chris. Come on, we need to go, man. This is really important. Seriously.
Come on, Chris, we gotta find that dog.
Come on.
Can't
One of us just
stay
go.
here?
Chris!
Oh,
Okay,
okay,
fine, I'm going.
Ow!
What a nice day of shunting.
Maybe I should play with these.
Now time. No, shunt. Ow! Oh, what was that? Was that a dog or a ball? I don't know.
Ruff! Thomas! Bold! Yeah!
I don't really know how to drive it.
Save! Save yourself! That place is really bad. I've been stuck on sodor
Can you please
for
save me?
years.
I've been stuck
You
in here
cute puppy.
since
Come
the
on, you need to save me.
beginning of the North
You
Western
really need to
Railway.
save
Can you please?
Please. I'm helpless.
Why am I moving?
Why am I moving? What's happening? Ah!
Oh, well. Yeah.
Stafford yards. I saw him. I think he was on my hood, Thomas.
Oh, where did it go next?
I don't know. I think it went east to Vickerstown.
Oh, thanks, buddy. Thanks for all the information.
I don't even know where Vickerstown's east, but just go to Vickerstown. I think that's
Dennis, we're gonna have to really talk about that soon.
Yeah, I don't know my east or my north.
It's west, star.
Oh, well, I'm really stupid. Oh, yeah. Oh! Oh, spill the beans. Oh, what's going on?
Listen here. Come, tell us about my dog.
I don't know where your dog is. Do it or we cut you up. Oh, no.
Yeah, we cut you up. Yeah, we do that. Tell me where it is.
Why are you even... I don't know where it is for real.
No, spill the beans or whatever.
I don't know where it is.
No, tell me now.
I don't know where it is.
Fine. He's acting desperate, but if you actually do, Charlie, you will die.
Wait, no, Thomas, you have the brakes on. Wait for us. What sicko thought it was a good idea to put a house here? I don't know. But seriously, it's bad. It's just bad.
Guys, I need your help.
What is
It's
it?
been really bad. I can't find my dog and it got lost and I need it. Your help. Where did you last see it? Anywhere?
I last seen it at Elsbridge last week. Yesterday, I meant.
It was so bad grammar anyway. So, yeah, I just need you to help me find it.
Yeah, okay, fine. Oh my god. Yeah. I don't know where it is. So just leave me alone, man.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, but yeah, just I don't know where it is. Maybe it's back at Elsbridge or something.
Elsbridge, really. We were just playing Smash and then it got lost.
Alright, well, I'm sorry to hear that it got lost. Yeah, guys, oh my gosh, what is that? Something's coming. What do you mean, Billy? And oh, scram, run! Oh, Thomas, I gotta go. Bye!
Oh, wait, Billy. Wait, what? No big deal.
Ah! Ah, no,
Oh, help me, Oh, my dog is still lost.
Oh, the dog!
Oh, I'll never see his sweet, cute face again. The gig is up.
You silly engine, he's right here.
Yay! My dog, I'll never ever let you get lost again.
Right.
Take all the care.
Also, Thomas, what should we name him?
Name him?
Oh,
I got a good idea. Puppycorn.
no. Maybe Zach the dog.
Nah, not such a
No,
bit.
maybe Jake the dog.
Jake the dog's a nice one, actually. From here, bye, I will name you Jake the dog.
Great,
Yeah.
you got that from Adventure Time, right?
Yeah, of course. It's a really good show.
Alright, I need to go find Chris. He's probably hiding in the bush or something.
Nice, well. Well, Jake, we have more adventures to go on. Ruff, 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 ruff! Yay, ruff,
Alright, guys, I'm back. Oh, hi, Chris.
Ruff, ruff.
Alright, let's get you home, Thomas.
Yeah, come on, Chris. I got the nicest shed for you and me to sleep in from for now. Woo!
Thomas, I hope you're grateful because I took Annie and Carabelle today.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I really did. Maybe we should have that train change more often. Oh, Thomas, he's really cute.
Oh, yep. This is Chris's new home. He'll be sleeping with us for as long as he lives. Now, anyway, so should I tell you about how my story went?
Oh!
Ruff, ruff, ruff,
Yes,
ruff.
please. I'd love to hear it.
Oh, well, so first, we were in the shed, I was really scratched up. I was going to take a train